Yes, sir. Back at it again. You already know what the deal is. Welcome to another moto vlog. We're about to slide by campus. It's homecoming, so that means campus should be live. Don't tell me they blocked the street off up here. That's gonna blow me. We down here in the AUC, man. Homecoming week. Everybody outside. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Stay locked in with the goal. I'm pulling up on 12. Getting them folks outside. It's homecoming. It's homecoming. It's a movie. It's a vibe. Packed out, packed out. I wanted to slide up through here for y'all. I really wanted to ride through that mug, but I know it's deep. And deep ain't even a word. It's over deep. Undies. Rosie. Rolls Royce. Mr. White. Mr. White in the cocaine. Don't play with that boy. Y'all see him? All white Rolls Royce. Mr. White was not playing. Here, don't tap that. Don't tap. Yeah, watch that. That's sticking out a little too far. Don't scratch that Rosie up. Oh my God. I should have known it was gonna be crazy traffic on this street. I just want to get in the shade, Mr. White. Thank you, sir. I'm Mr. Marcus. Nice to meet you. He was ready to put him on the front line because he had a Rolls Royce. Talking about double R. That's how the attention you get when you get a double R. Don't ask me if I want to park. I'm pulling up on the curb. Yeah, I don't know what bro doing. here. They towing niggas? What's up? This is insane. This hard. Yes, sir. Okay, we gotta figure this out. Damn, buddy, wanna start moving? Where's Sam?
Oh, in front of us.
You funny as hell. Yes, sir. Tonight is the night. Welcome back. They got the bar at the gas station. Everybody getting money. Everybody working together. It's an Atlanta thing. Everybody's selling, getting money. Everybody got to hustle. Oh yeah, it's deep outside. Welcome to the AUC. Sir, get the folks a couple rev. It's 12 right here though, thinking he's slick. I'm getting behind him. Yeah. Oh, they gonna run it? Exactly. Thought he was gonna get me. Thought he was. No, sir. Yeah. He undercover. Oh, he looked like one. Everybody getting blamed. Look, bro, scared. Bro, don't want to do nothing. Bro, don't want to do nothing. Oh, 100 points. 12 thought he was slick. No, Sirski. I'm over here on MLK in the trenches. You let that throttle go, it get the firing. Okay, okay. Make some noise. Turn him up. Excuse me, mail truck. Oh, don't have me race the mail truck. It's crazy. Bro, can't keep up with the mail. It's a nice breeze outside today. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Later on, I'm going to this Halloween party. I really wish I could pull up and motovlog it, but y'all know how that be. Gotta get off my bike. But the AUC, definitely a vibe. Definitely a vibe. Definitely a vibe. You cannot beat the AUC. Everybody was outside. I need y'all to do me one favor. One huge favor. Take the time to go down, leave a comment, and tell me what y'all might like to see. You know, give me some topics to get on. I'm gonna be doing a lot of bike meets, different cars, events, things like that. Anything random, probably day in the lives. Just random, you know. Just enjoying my bike. I'm a beginner rider. I'm still learning, you know, so just bear with me. Y'all get to watch the growth. Y'all get to see the 12. Oh, Sheriff. Two-tone, vet. Yeah, y'all really get to watch me grow, watch me get better at riding, watch me learn new things. This is just my riding journey. Welcome. Welcome to the show. Like, comment, subscribe, and just rock with me. You dig? And that'll wrap this video up.